What happens when warning signs are ignored and a situation goes from questionable to completely unacceptable? At what point does a school move away from unaware to legally responsible? And more importantly, what happens when someone should have known but didn't act? My name is Copeland Hill, and today I'll be discussing Gebser versus Lago Vista Independent School District. This is a landmark case involving Title IX, sexual harassment, and the legal responsibility of school officials. This case is important because it clearly defines when a school can be held liable and when it cannot. In this case, a high school student became involved in a sexual relationship with her teacher. Before the relationship was officially discovered, there were already concerns raised about the teacher's behavior in the classroom and outside. These included inappropriate comments and actions that made students uncomfortable. However, those concerns were never formally reported to an administrator with authority. No official actions was taken. No investigation was conducted. Eventually, the relationship was discovered and the teacher was arrested. Following this, the student filed a lawsuit against the school district, arguing that school failed her to protect her. The student, which is the plaintiff, argued that the school district should be held responsible under Title IX. The reasoning was that warning signs existed and the school failed to act on those signs. They believe that negligence in supervision and lack of response created an unsafe environment. The school district argued that they did not have official knowledge of the misconduct. They stated that no administrator with decision-making authority was properly informed. Because of that, they argued that they could not be held legally liable. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the school district. The court determined that a school is only liable under Title IX if two specific conditions are met. An official with authority must have actual knowledge of the misconduct and must respond with deliberate indifference. Because those conditions were not met in this case, the school was not held responsible. This case established a major legal standard. Actual knowledge plus deliberate indifference equals liability. This means schools are not automatically responsible for every incident that takes place. But once the right person knows, they are required to act. Failure to act at that point creates legal responsibility. From an athletic administrator's standpoint, This case is crucial. As administrators and coaches, we are often the closest adults to student athletes. We must first recognize warning signs early, report concerns immediately, follow proper reporting chains, document. I can't stress that enough. Document everything thoroughly. This is especially important in athletics, where power dynamics can be stronger between coaches and athletes, upperclassmen and younger players, and during travel or locker room situations. Ignoring behavior, even if it seems small, can lead to serious consequences. Once you have knowledge, you have a responsibility. This case teaches one clear lesson. Awareness is not enough. Action is required. Because the moment you know is the moment you become accountable. Thank you.